Hi everyone, today we're going to show how easy it is to quickly get started with the WaveJet Touch. The WaveJet Touch has an ultra-quick boot time. Acquiring signals in less than 5 seconds, the WaveJet Touch is ready to use as soon as you are. For a quick setup, you can use the Auto Setup feature. Auto Setup is accessible by pressing the blue Auto Setup button on the front panel. This will quickly optimize the time base, trigger, and vertical scales to display the signal. The WaveJet Touch allows the operator to use the touchscreen controls, front panel controls, or a mix of both that is convenient. This allows you to work more efficiently.